In this video, I will show you the inside of an electric pruning shears and how to replace the cutting blades. To change the blades, you only need to remove this cover and the nut on the opposite side, along with its lock. This shears, like the others, is powered by a brushless motor. The brushless motor controller is located in the lower part of the body, where the blade opening controls are also found. You can find this product below in the description. Don't forget, like and subscribe. Here is the plate with magnetic sensors, which are responsible for the position of the blades as well as their opening and closing. As you can see on the control board, there are some semiconductors that, when crossed by a magnetic field, send the command to open or close the blades. This magnet is responsible for controlling the blades, meaning whether they open or close. Another magnet is responsible for the position of the cutting blade. It detects if the blade is open or closed and how wide the opening is. When installing the large blade, this sensor will set it in the correct operating position. Thank you for watching. And do not forget, like and subscribe.